Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for the Roborock Qrevo Slim. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we can start at the top of our dock here. We have our dirty and clean water tanks. You will want to remove these regularly, especially the dirty water tank. Basically, as soon as you have any water in here, I'd highly recommend emptying it as soon as possible to prevent odor from building up. Some people like to leave a little bit of detergent in here, vinegar, things along those lines to help freshen it up, especially if you're going to leave it for a couple of days. It will get pretty nasty, but you'll want to always stay on top of washing, rinsing, and cleaning the dirty water tank. It's also a good idea every once in a while to wash and clean the clean water tank as well. Then looking into the unit, there's really nothing you should have to do in here. You can occasionally wipe it down and make sure all of these water inlets or outlets are free from obstruction as well. So keep an eye on those. Further down towards the middle of the unit, this is where you're going to be able to swap out and change the vacuum bag. That's simple and straightforward. Just pull out, remove the old one, and then you can reinstall the new vacuum bag following the instructions there. But you just line it up and then you just gently press it in place. When you have the vacuum bag removed, you can look in this area too for any dirt or debris that's starting to build up or maybe leaks out. Grab some compressed air, things along those lines, and just blow it out. And down towards the bottom here, there's a couple things you'll want to visually inspect and keep an eye on. You can always wipe down the sensors or the charging contacts. This side of our self-empty, you can look in that channel. If you ever notice anything in there, clogs, leftover hair, you can remove those. This side, it's a dead end right there, but you can check in there visually too. This station actually washes itself, which is great, so it further removes the maintenance that you would have to do, but it's never a bad idea every once in a while to remove these and give them a nice manual wash down as well for any hair, debris, or anything else that's built up in here. You can also pop this guy off too if you're interested. So that guy comes right out. So you can really clean and wash this as needed, but again, it will wash itself, and then you could just gently wipe down anything else you wanted at the bottom here. And that's pretty much it. This station is very self-sufficient and autonomous, allowing you to sit back, relax, and do something else while your Roborock Qrevo takes care of the rest.